This is easy school sausage roll snack for your children. This can be made in less than 30 minutes. If you want to see how I make it, please keep watching. In a clean bowl, stir 4 cups of all-purpose flour. After that, all you have to do is to add salt if you are going to use unsalted butter. But if you'll be using salted butter like I did in this video, don't add salt. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar is optional though. Add about 200 grams of cold butter or cold margarine. Mix everything together until the flour becomes crumbly, as you can see in the video. Add 1 cup of cold water. You have to make sure the water is cold. This brings your dough together better. Okay, you can add this water gradually or add it at a go. I added 1 cup of water at a go because I already know the quantity of water I use when making my children's sausage roll. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, hello, I am Ijeoma. In this channel, I make variety of Nigeria dishes, Nigeria food, Nigeria snacks and drinks. Feel free to subscribe, okay? And for my returning subscribers, thank you very much for subscribing and for sticking to me. Let's continue with the video. Everything I use will be on the screen and on the description. Feel free to omit or remove the ones you don't like, okay? Grind everything, please don't add water. Grind everything and your filling is ready. That is, this filling is what we'll be using for the sausage roll. I am blending it because I want mine to pass through a piping bag. You can actually use piping bag like this, the way I did in this video, or you can use spatula to smear it into the dough. It's very easy and it takes less than 30 minutes to prepare from beginning to end. That is how easy it is to make this mini sausage roll. I hope you'll try it, especially now school is resuming, so that your little ones can see snacks that you are sure of what is inside to take to school. I hope you're enjoying this recipe. Feel free to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already, and thank you so much for watching to this point. One thing you are going to do to make sure your mini sausage roll or sausage roll stands out is make sure you add the exact quantity of butter that it needs. Butter is very crucial for this dough because it makes it flaky, it makes it moist, it makes it super good to taste. Okay, you are not adding much to the dough, but you see that butter or that margarine, don't play with it. It's very necessary. You can add as much sausage into the dough as you want. Because this is mini sausage roll, I'm going to cut it in small sizes. This sausage roll we are making is melt in the mouth. Like, it literally melts because it is very buttery, it's very filling, and it's very delicious. I pinch it to close the sausage roll or crimp it out to avoid any kind of spillage and to bring the sausage roll together. And this is exactly how I do mine. No special technique. This sausage roll recipe will blow your mind because it tastes so good and so moist. I hope you try it, okay? And the last stage is to use egg wash to brush on the sausage roll. This gives it a good shine when it's baked and a brown golden finish. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thank you and God bless. Bye.